Good morning YouTube, welcome back to another vlog. Today you join me here in San Diego. I'm here with my beautiful wife, Mieke, although she's getting ready right now. We got here yesterday and headed out for dinner. We went to the Cheesecake Factory, so I'll show you something of what we got. And then I went to bed because we were pretty tired. And this morning we've woken up and gone out for breakfast. We went to Jamba Juice for an acai bowl, something we did when we were in San Jose. So we thought we'd do it again because it's right across the road from our hotel. The hotel we're in is absolutely stunning. It's this really old-fashioned kind of design. The lobby is like amazing, and so is the room. So I'll give you a quick little tour later on. Mieke filmed some shots as soon as we got in before we destroyed it. Only complaint is the shower is absolutely tiny. You literally can't stand underneath it, I don't know why. But yeah, other than that, the hotel is absolutely stunning. We're staying here for 2 nights, so we've got 2 whole days essentially to do what we want. Today I think we're going to do the trolley tour to try and see all the sights of San Diego and get over to Coronado Island. And then for the second day, I'm not quite sure, probably a bit of shopping, and yeah, we'll just see how we get on. Right now we are just getting ready and we are going to head out to see San Diego. Okay, we have just made it to Coronado Island. We've got the trolley tour here, hence our cool little orange stickers. Suze was our tour guide. She didn't stop talking, which was incredible. Told us so many facts. Apparently when Coronado Island first started, everyone got their plot of land from an auction and they would get a 25% refund if they built their property in the first year or something like that. So a lot of people picked up their houses from the mainland, put it on a ship, put it on a crane and dropped it on their plot of land here on Coronado Island. This one right here behind me just sold for $7.5 million. Mieke's just fallen in love with it, and apparently we're going to move there one day. We've just been walking around checking out the Hotel del Coronado, I think it's called. Really cool place, and it was totally Mieke's aesthetic, whatever that means. So she got a few Instagram photos, and now we're going to head and get a Starbucks and get back on the trolley. Okay, second stop on the trolley tour, and we are here in Balboa Park. This park is 1,200 acres, which is huge. It was originally called San Diego Park and then renamed to Balboa Park after some European explorer with the surname Balboa. And I think it's got 15 museums, 15 gardens, and the first ever IMAX cinema in the USA was here in Balboa Park. All facts are courtesy of Captain Bob, our tour guide for the Coronado Islands to Balboa Park journey. We've been walking around for about an hour now and it's absolutely amazing. The architecture here in San Diego is stunning. It's hard to believe that this is actually in the city centre of San Diego pretty much. It's where the zoo is, and yeah, it's amazing. You can just walk around here for hours. We're going to keep walking around for a little bit and head back onto the trolley to jump over to Old Town.
aboard. Anybody else from the UK?
Okay, it's way too busy to get a picture, just the two of us. We're going to come back in the morning and try and get one, just the two of us. Mieka's a secret gamer. Alright, we made it back to the hotel. Absolutely exhausted. Are you tired, babe?
Yeah.
I think we're going to go for a nap and then maybe check out the spa. I've heard good things. And then probably go for dinner. Might get takeaway. See how we feel. I'll catch up with you in a bit. Okay, it is 8:20 now. Just popped out to Chipotle all by myself. Mieke didn't want to come with me. Her excuse was, oh, if I wasn't here, then you'd be going out on your own anyway.
Did you mind?
And all she's bothered about now is her food. Both of us got a chicken and rice burrito bowl, and so I'll show you that. We went down to the pool earlier, absolutely amazing. Rooftop, I'll show you some shots of that, and just chilled in the hot tub for a bit. I think this is going to be the end of our day 2, so I will catch up with you in the morning. I'm just editing the vlog back and it's getting quite long already, so I'm going to split San Diego into 2 parts. This will be the end of part 1, so thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for plenty more videos to come. Bye bye.